Hi, this is Dr. Jonathan Lassen, here with another video about social isolation and ostracism. In the previous video, we discussed how social isolation and ostracism can have a devastating impact on issues such as anxiety and depression. In this video, I would like to focus on how social isolation can have an impact on the actual brain structure. As we know, the brain is divided into four different lobes: the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the temporal lobe. The major impact that social isolation has on the brain is really in the prefrontal cortex of the brain. And what happens is that people or animals that are socially isolated for extended periods of time can have damage to a particular cell called the oligodendrocyte. And the communication chain between the neurons in this particular cell is impacted when people or animals are socially isolated. In order to counter the effects of social isolation on the brain, we have to get out and become more social. So what can we do while we are in quarantine? What we can do is we can go out for walks, we can talk to people via Skype, via Zoom video conferencing, we can connect with relatives just by talking to them on the phone, or if you're able to talk to your neighbors by going outside and having actual communication like we've done in the past, then that can counter the effects of social isolation on the brain. So my advice to everybody is to try to get out as much as possible. If you can't get out, make sure that you're connecting via Zoom or via any other media platform that can allow you to have that social interaction. Have a wonderful social day and stay safe.